Bolt says you can describe a web app in one sentence and get a working one back. It does. What catches people out is that the same sentence costs more every time you send it. We review it so you don't have to. Bolt is an AI builder from StackBlitz. You type what you want in plain language, and it generates a real website or app inside the browser, with hosting, a database, authentication, and search optimization handled for you. Nothing to install, nothing to set up. Everything runs on tokens, and Bolt's own documentation is unusually honest about where they go. Most of your token usage comes from Bolt reading, understanding, and syncing your project files. Not from the change you asked for, from rereading everything around it. So a one-word fix on a big project can cost you more than the entire first afternoon did. Which means the same request costs more in week 3 than it did on day 1, because your project got bigger. On the free plan, you get 300,000 tokens a day. They reset on the first of the month, and none of them carry over. Paid plans do carry over, oldest spent first, for 2 months. So the verdict. For a landing page, a prototype, or a demo you need by Friday, Bolt is genuinely impressive, and the free tier will get you there without a card. For something you keep growing, go in knowing the meter speeds up as the project does, and start a fresh project rather than piling everything into one. 7 out of 10. If that was useful, hit the like button and subscribe so the next review reaches you. Turn the bell on as well. Thanks for watching.